The city of joy, the city of processions, the city of palaces, and the cultural capital of the country.
I would have sold the ball for 2,000.
Not with the eagle. It was used by families primarily to make home videos because it was a cheaper format to use. Bengali food is actually very, very intricate because Bengali food is served in courses.
3,000 and the deal is closed.
Hi, my name is Sandeep Gajar, also known as Sunny.
I'm Avinash Kumar Singh.
Me and my co-rider will be traveling across 10,000 kilometers.
Across the length and the breadth of the country on two superbikes.
We will be collecting interesting items from interesting people. Have a look at this.
People who collect stuff, who hoard stuff, who buy and sell things, and sometimes just regular, ordinary people who might have extraordinary stories to share.
Norton Manx from 1954.
जापान के क्वीन यूज करते थे ऐसा टू.
We land up at their doorstep, we coax, cajole, beg and plead for their things. If they don't give it to us, we steal it. Not really. We'll end up trying to buy it off them.
3.5.
मेरा भी नहीं, आपका नहीं, 4,700.
Dollars में कि rupees?
नहीं reasonably rate है.
And we will, in the end, put these items together.
We send it all back to a bunch of designers who will put it all together fantastically in an art installation called
Freedom Bike.
So we started from Banaras really early in the morning and the roads have been absolutely spectacular. So we took the Allahabad bypass and it's like the ORR. It's just fantastic.
We were about to reach Lucknow when we saw this shack. And Avinash wanted to have a tea, I guessed from his riding posture and everything on the motorcycle. First conversation that we have is that he needs to go to Lucknow.
We have to stop in Lucknow. Bolo kyun? We will get the deal of the trip in Lucknow.
Like on food. I already knew about this, but I just wanted to try my luck and ask him. So after all, what is there actually?
I don't know, but
I'm talking about eat. You know, what is there exactly?
Eating, there's tunde kebabs, there's reshmi kebabs, there's kebabs and more kebabs.
And we'll only get that in Lucknow, not in Delhi.
Yes and no.
I don't think we should go to Lucknow. I think we should straight go to Delhi. Why are we here exactly? I want to listen from your own mouth, which is going to have that food.
It's like going past Lucknow and smelling the tunde kebab as you go past. You can't do that.
So you mean that right from Calcutta, you knew that you had to come to Lucknow?
Yes.
For tunde kebab. Where to get water here?
Adab.
बहुत शुक्रिया आपके आने का। आप भी लोग हो सकते हैं जो दिल्ली बॉम्बे से आए मोटरसाइकिल से।
जी।
मोटरसाइकिल देख के आप आए?
जी।
आप आइए।
अरे बहुत दूर से लंबा सफर करके आए हैं। हैवी गाड़ी इनकी अभी पहली दफे मैंने देखी इतनी हैवी गाड़ी बढ़िया।
हमारा नाम अविनाश है और इनका नाम सनी है।
काफी फेमस है आपका ये।
हमारे ग्रैंडफादर ने शुरू किया था 106 साल पहले।
106
साल पहले।
तो ये मेरे को कैलकाटा से यहाँ तक कहते हुए आ रहे कि यही खाना।
शुक्रिया मोहब्बत का।
वेरी नाइस।
वेरी नाइस।
तो हम आपसे अब इजाजत लेंगे।
शुक्रिया बहुत
और
शुक्रिया। Thank you so much. I actually need to thank you this time for making me eat that thing.
We finished eating, stuffed to the gills. Sunny gets a call from the designers and they have lined up a real-life, true-to-form Nawab Sahab of Lucknow. So we went down the old parts of Lucknow and arrived at Nawab Zafar Mir's home. Slightly dilapidated looking.
आइए तशरीफ लाइए।
आदाब। आदाब।
आदाब।
माफ कीजिएगा अगर सही से आदाब नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ।
नहीं।
अविनाश।
आइए तशरीफ लाइए।
तशरीफ रखिए। आप बैठे। तशरीफ रखिए।
I was meeting a Nawab for the first time And the way he was dressed, you know, it made me feel like completely like an outcast.
You have a very, very interesting space.
Thank you. You will find a variety of things over here, and they are from all over the world. Lucknow is a place which had no parallel in the world. ऐ शहर लखनऊ, तुझे मेरा सलाम है, तेरा ही नाम दूसरा, जन्नत का नाम है.
Wow.
This is a पानदान, और इसमें accessories are there.
जी. It was just too bloody big.
So many compartments over here.
We actually didn't. We didn't think it was this large.
Yeah, one thing is
so I think that's one of the concerns. And
Okay.
because it's as large as it is, I'm assuming this will be outside of our budget. Very pretty, very intricate, but just impractical.
I can suggest a smaller and a more compact thing. It is quite ingenious in shape.
Okay.
So he gets this another pandan, I think it's a khazan or something like that, and he shows us, which is like around 50% smaller than before.
This is a combination of this
This is
and
a
that.
combination of pandan.
Ji.
You see,
And a khazan.
inside it's a pandan.
Right.
But this shape
Now the shape is
Of a khazdan, right?
is
Acha,
of a
acha.
khazdan.
Ji.
This is more than 100 years.
more than 100 years.
More than 100 years. ये है खासदान.
Ji.
इसमें पानदान से ये पान की गिलौरियाँ, पान की गिलौरी
जी
लगा के ये है चोंगली,
जी
इसमें ये रखी गई टू होल्ड इट, और उसके बाद में ये पान सर्व करने के लिए, पेश करने के लिए ये पेश किया जाता है. आधा.
How much would you be?
अगर आप इसकी खूबियाँ देखें, इसकी एज देखें, इसकी वर्कमैनशिप देखें, इसकी क्वालिटी और कंडीशन देखें, दिस इज वर्थ 10,000.
जी.
आई विल गिव इट टू यू फॉर 7,000.
Okay.
30% हम आपके लिए कम कर देंगे.
जी. Not quite sure this is the best deal, is it? Arhab sahab.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
शुक्रिया sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you sir. Thank you very much.
ये आपका
ये हम ले जाते हैं और इसे
आपकी
मुकुट बना के लगवाएंगे.
ये आपकी मोटरसाइकिल का ताज होगा.
जी.
जी.
और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
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 आधा.
Thank you.
Today we've received a package from Calcutta.
Let's see. Calcutta stuff. Wow.
And damn cool.
I thought of musical instruments, but I don't know how to fit a gramophone in a bike.
You know, we needed a musical instrument for the bike, so it's good that they sent us this.
Yeah. Oh, look, check this out.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
I love it. What do you think?
I love eagles. I think it's the perfect companion for a rider.
The coolest thing that came was the eagle, and according to me, really, really cool, and I'm going to definitely use it on the bike. Veena, right?
No, it's a Yashraj. You know, we've been thinking of that bike that shocker. That's where it can be used.
Riding in Lucknow is not easy at all. You need a lot of luck right now. That's Lucknow.
And how can you not come to Lucknow? It's the city of tunde kebabs, it's the city of nawabs, it's the city of chicken curry kurtas.
But I think you would have done much better in Delhi. Can you tell me why, what are we doing still in Lucknow?
I have found what might possibly be the best deal of the trip.
So let's go and find this man.
I found a gentleman who was selling a projector.
मेरा नाम अल्तमश हुसैन, OLX एक साइट है, इस पे तमाम चीज़ें मैंने पोस्ट करी और मुझे बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला.
through the very narrow streets of Lucknow to reach this particular place. And Avinash says that right here you have to stop and get into this very narrow alley, ultra narrow alley. We walk, I follow him, and he stops at a shoe shop.
अल्तमश भाई, नमस्कार, आदाब, अविनाश और सनी।
अच्छा अच्छा, कैसे सर?
हम वो आपसे बात हुई थी, आपने OLX पे को
अविनाश जी की कॉल आई, जो कि उन्होंने मुझसे कहा कि कैनन का एक मैंने प्रोजेक्टर जो मैंने डाला था उस पर, वो उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि मैं इसको जो है ख़रीदना चाहता हूँ।
ऐड तो एक चीज़ का डाला था, यहाँ पे सारे जूते दिख रहे हैं।
ये तो मेरा एक अलग प्रोफेशन है, मेरा एक कलेक्शन का शौक है।
अच्छा,
हाँ,
आप शौकीन आदमी लगते हैं।
जूतों की कलेक्शन का?
नहीं,
अच्छा,
विंटेज आइटम्स। और मैंने जो है एक रेंट पे कमरा भी ले रखा हुआ है उसके लिए, वो वहाँ पे आगे है, वो आपको मेरे साथ चलना पड़ेगा।
अच्छा,
आइए।
I said something fishy is going on. I wasn't really sure, but I was very intrigued and excited at the same time to find out.
Very interesting because he's actually hired a little. He's like a little PG. He has one bare room.
आइए। ये सब क्या है? हाँ, सब मेरा ये इस तरह का कलेक्शन है।
Very vintage, and it was lying all over.
देखकर तो ये आए थे।
जी।
अब आप समझा दीजिए क्या है, क्योंकि हमें तो मालूम है, इनको मालूम नहीं, इनको हमने बताया जरूर था, मगर
कुछ समझ में तो आ रहा है।
देखिए ये जो है, ये देखिए, इसको मैं दिखाऊं, ये 8 mm का प्रोजेक्टर है।
Sunny had no idea that he was going to get sucker punched.
कितने साल पुराना है
ये मे बी 30 साल पुराना है। यहाँ से ही निकलती थी लाइट, और ये पूरी जो है इसके अंदर जो था, ये पूरा एक वो चलता था, रील इसके अंदर पूरी चलती थी इसकी।
But I wanted to play along. I didn't want to give Sunny the satisfaction of falling flat on his face immediately. तो आपके पास एक ब्रीफकेस भी है, तो आप ब्रीफकेस के अंदर क्या छुपाए रखें?
ये है विंटेज रिकॉर्डर।
It was actually an audio recorder, made in Japan. I'm not sure if it functions, but it was there. So my friend, this is what we came for. How much do you think this costs?
It must be around 7,000-8,000 at least. What do you think? अब भाई साहब ये तो नहीं बता रहे, आप ही बताइए ये है कितना?
ये सर 2,000 रुपए का।
2,000 रुपए का। Basically, I was blown away. He got a pretty good deal, I must admit.
I'm officially the finder of good deals.
All right. I mean,
एक बात बताइए, चलिए, वो बेचेंगे आप?
मैं एक सर्चिंग में था, एक पुराना, एक इससे भी पुराना, एक मुझे रिकॉर्डर मिल जाए।
ये कितने?
ये 1,000 रुपीज़।
Sold. 3,000. Sold.
Okay. सनी सोच में पड़ गया कि 1,000 रुपए का वो भी विंटेज रिकॉर्डर। सर इनके बालों को देख के मुझे कुछ मैं सोच में कुछ पड़ गया।
इनके बालों देख के मुझे भी बहुत सोच होता है।
मेरे पास इनके लिए कुछ है।
नहीं एक सेकंड, क्या है?
अरे वाह।
अच्छा ये लीजिए।
मेरे बालों से क्या रिलेशन है?
You look like Spartan. सनी जी को मैंने हेलमेट दिया, तो हेलमेट उन्होंने पहना।
Like a Spartan?
Yeah, you look like a wow.
क्या बात है, वाह।
And now?
No, get away from me.
Okay, let's head back.
थोड़ा सा वक्फा उनके साथ गुजारा तो मेरे ये समझ में आया कि हाँ वो दोनों जो हैं बहुत फ्रैंक किस्म के लड़के हैं।
मैंने इसे सही से पहना नहीं था।
अच्छा।
Are you okay?
हाँ पहले उतारिए।
Are you okay? Can you breathe? Can you breathe? Hey, come on, get up. You have to ride a little bit.
हम लोग चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड है, इस तरह से लग रहा था।
आप इनको जरा 3,000 रुपए दे दीजिए, हाँ? हम इसको लेंगे।
4 मिनट बाकी है ना? मैं भी मिलता हूँ आपको। नीचे पैसे देता हूँ, ठीक है? चलो, let's go.
Sunny doesn't know it yet, but I have a little surprise for him.
Lanes couldn't get any narrower, but we rode through this ultra narrow lane.
I know exactly where to take him. Let's just say it involves mud. It involves naked upper torsos. And it involves a lot of throwing around. अच्छा पीछे हट गया।
ये लीजिए।
So for suddenly, Sunny was overcome by Tehzeeb, and he decided कि नहीं पहले आप जाइए।
Please आप जाइए पहले। आप बढ़िया हम जाइए।
अरे हम लखनऊ में पहले आप यार।
चलिए ठीक है, आप कह रहे हैं तो।
Go for it, Sunny. Go for it. Yeah. Down for it. for it, Sunny. Go for it. Yeah. Run! अरे सर उनको पकड़ो, भागने मत दो.
I was very excited to see what Avinash would do. इनमें से 50% ज़्यादा है.
नहीं.
I was hoping that this man would do exactly the same thing what he did to me.
हम एक चीज सीखें. Phil. And dancing like a butterfly.
Oh man, this is not fair using your weight. Come on, spare him, Avinash, spare him. भाई साहब उठाइए ना, क्या कर रहे हैं आप? Oh, this is scary, man. Looks like Godzilla and King Kong fighting. Well done, well done. Get up. Well done.
Sir.
All in all, thanks.
It's been a revelation. While we were riding into Delhi from Lucknow,
this is the final leg of the trip, rather final kilometers.
I noticed that Sunny's bike had begun to sort of dance.
And then when I start to feel kind of uneasy on the bike, like kind of the bike was weaving from behind, I was thinking that there's something wrong with the tire.
And then he finally flagged me down just outside of Gurgaon, and he showed me the tire, which was absolutely shredded.
You know what? Initially, when the Hayabusa came out in the market, there was an acute shortage for tires. So these tires used to like go out in like 3,000-4,000 kilometers. And that's exactly what's happening here. So it is completely flat, and like this is not even going to hold for long, you know.
I mean, he was absolutely certain that he needed to get it changed. And all in all, I think it's a really good decision that we actually made. Let's go.
Yeah. So Avinash and me rode into Delhi. It was pretty hot, but I was very glad that we completed the whole road trip without any incidences. So we are here in the service center. It will take around half an hour. But meanwhile, I took out my phone. I said, let's do this last deal of the trip. Actually, you see, this guy selling this looks like a tape recorder. What do you think? Spool. Spool.
Where?
You might be knowing.
Where? What?
It must be around 10 kilometers from here. So okay, let's do this. Let's wait, and for the tire to be changed, and then let's go. And anyway, the bike definitely needs to be checked once in a while. Especially these kind of motorcycles. Take care of your bike every day. You have to check the brakes, you check your chain and all these kind of things every day, because these small things can be fatal on the road. You might run into an accident. If it starts raining, if your tires are not up to the mark, the bike might skid. Yeah, I just want my baby to never kiss the tarmac. Only the rubber should be in contact, nothing else. We found something. It was according to Avinash, this is a spool recorder. I don't know what it is. And after that, this trip will be complete and everything will be in a designer's court.
It sort of marks the end of the ride, but I'm excited to see what the designers have done with the bike so far. And this should be fun. Now they get to work and we get to sit and watch. We walked into this man's house, Jai Singh. He had 3 names up on his name board. There was Jai Singh, there was Jai something Singh, and there was another name. So we weren't quite sure who we were talking to.
Basically, I'm into this collection of vinyl records since last 15 or 17 years now. Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Avinash.
Jai here.
You are Jai Singh.
Yeah.
You are not Rajshri Singh.
No.
And you're not Jai Samrat Singh.
No, he's not that.
Okay.
As we enter his home, what I see is a lot of LPs or I think vinyl records or something like that. I don't know the technical term.
So clearly, amongst other things, you are an audiophile.
Absolutely.
Are we supposed to buy this? Do you remember?
I'm not selling this
Oh,
one.
he's not selling it?
At any cost. Should we steal it?
Yeah,
Yes, you
I'll
can.
hang on to it.
The only reason why I won't steal it is because my bike won't be able to carry it on motorcycle.
I can strap it onto the back of mine.
Great looking, very sophisticated turntables.
So what do you do, and why vinyl?
See, just because of the superior sound, the better art cover and the historical value. So sound in nature is always analog. It cannot be digital, as we all know.
I don't see people like him ever wanting to change.
We are here to buy something related to listening,
Yes, I had
audio.
I had put that
this
one
one?
on ad.
Yeah, this is the one.
That's the one on.
This gentleman had an old record player. It was a spool recorder, in which you put tapes and it records whatever you say.
These two are carriers. You put the spool on one side and then you lock it on the other side, and then you play the recording button and it records. It also plays. It has got both the functions.
Where do I get the spool?
You can get it on a lot of auction sites, and there are a lot of people who have collected.
I can't go and buy now.
No. They are not sold over the counter.
Okay.
But you can always get in touch with the right people, and it's not a big thing.
Do you have a spool?
Not at the moment.
Sorry to interrupt. Without the spool, I have to get down to money.
Yeah.
How much are you selling this for?
I would say 5,000.
When he mentioned the price, I saw Sunny's eyes light up, almost like he was ready for a fight.
We were thinking of doing another road trip and recording all that we say onto this. So we would need around 100 to 200 spoons.
No, I don't have that.
Please reduce the cost.
I'm selling the player, not the spoons.
He is very dangerous.
But without the spoon is nothing.
It will work, it's like a gun, you just need to buy the bullet. The bullets are not
the main thing. That's the main thing. Please reduce the cost a little bit. I mean, this is the last kind of
Give me
leg
a
of
best
the
offer, let me think over it.
Best offer.
Yeah.
Let's say 3,000.
No.
Fuel is very expensive here.
No, I
in
understand.
Delhi.
And
you hardly money
through
left.
that,
You heard that.
How much will this be for?
So he was basically putting on the back foot. So
Last offer, maybe you have not given me a very valid offer, but for the sake of you,
I'll give you a valid offer. Please donate this.
let's do it at 4,000.
Okay, let's do it at 3.
3,500.
Sure.
Deal.
All right.
It's a deal.
Thank you
very
so much.
That is absolutely fantastic. This will find a pride of place.
I hope
you
so.
so much.
I hope so. You got a great thing.
Yeah.
Excellent. We'll
Bye.
see you. Thanks.
So now we've done our job. We've gone 10,000 kilometers on superbikes. I think the designers need to give us a break. It's up to them now what to make of it.
It's been almost 10,000 kilometers of some of the most grueling riding ever, but it's been totally worth it. We're down to the final home run, and we only hope that Gautam and Pratik have everything lined up for the big reveal.